Today's program is on geographical indications from Andhra Pradesh, the way forward. GIs, geographical indications, are one form of intellectual property rights which are used to protect traditional products and processes which have uniqueness and identity and reputation, which is closely correlated to the geographical location. So Andhra Pradesh is a front-running state primarily because we have about several GIs which are registered. This started off with Pochampalli Ikkat in 2004, followed by the latest one was the Pemberthi and Cheriyal paintings. So AP is a front-leading state not only in terms of registering GI but also in terms of infrastructure support. Like we have the APTDC, Andhra Pradesh Technology Development and Promotion Center, which has facilitated the GI registration of all these products with the support of law firms, Government of AP and Government of India. So AP is very different in this way that it has got a good synergy among all the stakeholders for the protection of GI. So today's conference is a deliberation to know how we can use and make maximum benefit of the geographical indications, how to take it forward, what are the post-GI interventions, and above all, how the stakeholders can make, especially the artisans, craftsmen, the weavers, can make maximum use of GI. That is the purpose of today's program. Textiles, handlooms, handicrafts, they represent the micro enterprises or the traditional sector of Andhra Pradesh, and that is the sector which needs a lot of support and handholding for market linkages and brand building. So GI helps in all this. So that's the reason we have taken a lot of initiative in these sectors, but I'm sure with greater efforts we can cover other sectors too. No, there are a variety of food products also which can be taken up, agriculture products like you have the Banaganapalli mango, Kurnool rice, which are also very, very important, but they also represent the agriculture and food sector. So very soon I think with all the support of all the stakeholders, we can extend these rights to other sectors. So it's just a matter of time. Yeah, government is very supportive in all ways, like all these documentation and meeting of the stakeholders and registration was all well facilitated by various government departments like the textile, the handicrafts, the agriculture departments, all have come forward to support it, and we have also had the support of NABARD, which has come forward and give us some financial support. So there's a very good synergistic and proactive support from all the stakeholders, and that's the reason why we have so many products being registered from Andhra Pradesh.